Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So guys, first thing that you need to do is simply go open up your Google Play Store, and from here just tap on the search button at the middle at the bottom, and from here just simply search for Instagram. And guys, make sure you are running the latest version of the app, and when Instagram have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And if you want to make sure, you can just tap on the three dots at the top right and enable the auto update. So now for the second solution that you have is just simply open the Instagram app, and from here guys just simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here just simply tap on the three lines at the top right, and after that just simply use the search bar at the top over here and just search for switch to professional. So guys, since I am on professional mode already, it is not showing. But if you do, just simply switch your Instagram account to a professional account. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, it's just simply tap on the three lines at the top right again. And after that, just simply scroll down to the very bottom and just simply tap on help. And after that, tap on report a problem. And from here, just simply shake your phone, and from there just simply tap on report a problem, and after that just simply tap on include and continue, and just simply explain briefly that your Instagram notes is not showing, and Instagram support will reach back to you after a few days in order for you to get the right answer. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.